Yeah, so hello everyone, this is Aditya and currently I'm working as a software developer. So I hope you guys are also doing well. So basically guys, in this video I just want to talk with you a very good opportunity. These opportunities are coming from directly MNC's company guys. The first opportunity is coming from our Cognizant company. In Cognizant now they are hiring a Python developers or AI engineers and all. And the second opportunity is also coming from a Deloitte company guys. In the Deloitte company they are hiring now a full stack developer, but the condition is this is not a completely a freshers job opportunity. If you have more than 1 year of experience, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. And the third opportunity is coming from our Qualcomm company guys. In the Qualcomm company now they are hiring interns and all. If you have done your degree in 26, then you guys are eligible to fill this form. So now I move forward for today guys. So here I just want to add one more point. Now this one guys, Cognizant hiring service desk role. Now the hiring is still going on, so just you go and check this video guys and apply this form. This is also a very good opportunity. If you have done normal graduation like BCA, BSc and normal graduation guys, so this is a very good opportunity. So just you go and check. So for today now I start a video guys. When I talk about the first opportunity is coming from our Cognizant company guys. Just you see here Python AI engineer and all. ऑब्वियसली गाइस आज के टाइम पे एआई का बहुत ही मार्केट का सीन बढ़ा हुआ है, तो आपको ये सारा नॉलेज तो आपको होना ही चाहिए. अगर आप ऑब्वियसली अगर सॉफ्टवेयर में आ रहे हो तो एआई का तो नॉलेज आपके पास होना ही चाहिए. व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द जस्ट यू सी हियर सॉलिड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ एलएलएम्स लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल्स एंड ऑल फंडामेंटल्स prompting tool function calling racks and all embedding and context management memory system. ऑब्वियसली गाइस अगर आप एआई कर रहे हो तो आपको ये सारा नॉलेज बेसिक आपके पास नॉलेज ये सारा होगा ही. When it comes to the down, just you see here understanding of SDLC process CI, CD, version controls and all, and AI agents can argument of the automated them guys. These are the technology. आपके पास ये सारा नॉलेज होना चाहिए guys. So अगर आपके पास ये सारा है आपने पाइथन का कोर्स अगर कहीं से करा है, और ये यहाँ पे बता दूँ गाइज अगर आपके पास अगर लिटरली अगर आपके पास जीरो नॉलेज है किसी भी लैंग्वेज में, तो गाइज आप जहाँ भी रहते हो वहाँ पे just you go and check it the IT coachings and all. So just you go and try to gain some knowledge guys, then you apply this form. This is a very good opportunity, and this is a completely a freshers opportunity guys. And when so now I click here apply now button, so it will redirect into the new page. Just you see here here you need to give your email address and also just you apply this form guys. So when I talk about the second opportunity is coming from our Deloitte company and all. Just use it's a full stack development guys, and location is Bangalore and all. So when it comes to the down, just you see here, but this opportunity is if you have 1 year of experience or less than 2 year of experience, then you guys are eligible to fill this form guys. Just you see here skills require 1 to 2 years. अगर आपके पास 1 से 2 साल के बीच का एक्सपीरियंस हो तो आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे. And when I talk about the basic understanding of data structures, algorithm and solving skills and all, and working knowledge of Python, JavaScript, TypeScript and SQLs. Obviously guys the SQL is very important, and ability to understand the client requirements and translate them into product and all. So workflows and implementation solution, and familiar with the REST APIs, data integration and working with RDMS and NoSQL database and all. And when it comes to the down, just you see here comfortable working in environments collaborating with the cross functional teams and all, and experience with the unit testing frameworks such as Jest and Mocha and PyTest is a plus and all. So these are the requirements guys. Basically guys अभी Deloitte में guys अभी hiring हो रही है full stack के लिए, लेकिन ये कंडीशन है कि आपके पास एटलीस्ट 1 या 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए. So when now I move forward for the third opportunity is also coming from a MNC's company guys. Just you see here Qualcomm company and all, and this is a 4 internship opportunity. If you have done your degree in 26, just you see here only BTech graduates. अगर आपने BTech करा हो तो गाइज आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल अप्लाई कर पाओगे, और 26 में अगर आपका डिग्री कंप्लीट हुआ हो तो गाइज आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल हो, आप अप्लाई कर पाओगे. व्हेन इट कम्स टू द डाउन लाइक बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ऑब्वियसली गाइज अगर आप इंटर्नशिप के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो गाइज आपके पास बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए, जैसे लाइक डाटा एनालिटिक्स, नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी, वेंडर मैनेजमेंट, डेवलपमेंट, टेस्टिंग, एप्लीकेशन, डाटाबेसिस, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड ऑल, लाइक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट। ये सारे आपके पास अगर बेसिक नॉलेज है तो भी आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे गाइज। मैंने टॉक अबाउट द जस्ट यूज हियर प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज लाइक जावा, पाइथन, जावास्क्रिप्ट, ऑब्जेक्टिव सी एंड सी लैंग्वेज। ये मैंने बोल रहा कि आपको बहुत ही ज़्यादा डीपली नॉलेज होना चाहिए, लाइक एटलीस्ट आपके पास बेसिक्स नॉलेज तो होनी ही चाहिए, लाइक ताकि आप इजीली इंटरव्यू वगैरह को आप क्लियर कर पाओ। एंड व्हेन आई टॉक अबाउट द डाटाबेस लाइक जस्ट यूज हियर लाइक ओरेकल, MySQL, MongoDB and all. So these are the like database requirements and all guys. So when it comes to the down, just you see here. So guys, that's it guys. Like the today I am done guys. So मिलेंगे एक नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ. So तब तक के लिए thank you guys. And yes, like if you have any doubt related to your career, just drop me a comment guys. Definitely I will help you. So for the today I am done guys. So मिलेंगे नए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के साथ. So तब तक के लिए thank you guys.